Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be talking about regular nail lacquer top coat and base coat I own in this video. Some of them are available at drug stores and easy to get in Japan. Others aren't, and maybe it's difficult to find. I wonder if they are still available in the States. I'm gonna be sharing how I use top coats effectively to make gel look nails later in this video. Reviews are just my personal impressions, and sometimes they contradict what the manufacturers say. Thank you for understanding. Let's get started. First up, Paradu Gel Top Coat. It's 770 yen. It's available at 7-Eleven in Japan. You can find the Paradu Mini Nail Series, sponge remover, and other nail care products at 7-Eleven. It's called gel top coat, but it's not gel nail, so you don't need a lamp to cure it. It's air dry. It's supposed to look like gel nail, but actually it doesn't look like gel much. Also, it's not super glossy when it's dry. It's not plump either. The best thing about this top coat is that it doesn't shrink. I've been aware that even gel nail shrinks when cured. I said it doesn't shrink, but it shrinks to some extent. But I meant its shrinkage doesn't ruin nail art. You know what I mean. It dries really fast, and I hardly see it crack. I hardly see bubbles either. If you want to make your nail look plump, you can apply it twice or 3 times. Nailist Quick Crystal Coat 2, 638 yen, available at drug stores in Japan. The review is quite good and it's reasonably priced. So I tried it, but I didn't like it very much. It cracked after a few days of application. It shrinks a bit too. It was difficult to make it last for a week. I wonder if there was a problem when I used it. I'm not sure why its view is so good. If you like this top coat, I'd appreciate your comments on what you like it about. It does dry quickly. I sometimes use it to fade when making gradient. PA Crystal Lock Top Coat, 990 yen. You can get it at drug stores. You need to shake it well before use. I got cracks with it. I wish it were more plump, but it looks like glass after it dries. It's beautiful. I've been complaining about all these top coats, like it's not plump enough, it gets cracks, it shrinks, blah blah blah. But I don't think a perfect top coat exists. So I should find a way to make up for shortcomings by using more than one top coat. I'm gonna be talking about OPI lines. They are pretty pricey for me. This is Infinite Shine. It's sold at about 2,400 yen here in Japan. It's not that shiny, unfortunately. I don't like the bottle. I can't see it through. As far as I can remember, it dries pretty quickly. I didn't find anything special about this top coat. If you have used it, I'd like to hear what you thought about it. I hardly ever see this on EC sites or stores in Japan. OPI Rapid Dry. It does dry so rapidly. Well, all the top coats available now dry much quicker than those from 10 years ago. This one isn't especially plump. It doesn't shrink much. I'd say it's an okay top coat. I got it in Hawaii. It looks kinda cute with the slightly purple shade, but it's just transparent when applied. I haven't used it for a long time. Let me use it now. The OPI brush is okay, but I prefer a round one. It looks fine right after application, but it will become less plump after it dries. OPI Jailbreak 3. I really like this top coat. I guess it can be my favorite top coat, and I want to get another bottle. But I don't see it anywhere, even on the internet. I got this bottle in Hawaii a few years ago. When I went back to Hawaii last year, I looked for it hard, but I couldn't find any. It doesn't shrink much, shines really well, and gets really plump. I could say I like it better than sachet. I want to save it badly, so I try not to use it very often. I read somewhere that this jailbreak series is supposed to be used when you have a break from gel nail. If you have access to Jailbreak 3, I strongly recommend it. When it dries, it will still look as plump as it is. Sachet Vide. I got it around 1400 yen on Rakuten. It dries super quick and enables us to make such plump nails. It doesn't crack. There's one flaw, shrinkage. When I first used sachet, I ruined all my nail stamping with its shrinkage. Now I found a way to avoid shrinkage, which I'm gonna show you later in this video. I'm not a big fan of the brush though. It's a little too small for me. To keep its best condition, you need to keep sachet runny. When I use it to the half of the bottle, I start using thinner. I don't have sachet restore, but I tried using thinner from Morgan Taylor and OPI. They worked really well. I wonder if I should use sachet restore. I'm gonna talk about Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat Oil. It's 800 yen on the official website. If you don't do nail stamping, you won't need it. I hate making a mess with stamped prints on my nails by applying top coat. No Smudge Top Coat Oil protects prints really well. Before I tried it for the first time, I didn't expect it to last more than a week. It proved me wrong. I love it so much. I'll definitely buy another bottle. OPI Nail Envy. It's a nail strengthener, but I usually use it as base coat. It's kind of like a luxury item for me. It's usually about 4,000 yen. This one was marked down at Nordstrom Rack in Hawaii. I love it as it dries fast and lasts long. I feel like it helps protect my nails too. Well, that's what nail strengthener is supposed to do, right? There are some colors available. I have these three. The pink one doesn't match my skin color. I sometimes use the white one, Alpine Snow, to make a transfer nail or anime nail. I haven't made transfer nails in the last few weeks. I want to make them soon. White polishes tend to get patchy. Alpine Snow is no exception. Strong Guard from D-Up Nail Strengthener. I use it as base coat often. It's available at drugstores at 1,430 yen. I like the longevity. It doesn't chip from the nails. The best thing about this is the brush. It's my favorite brush I've ever used. I like the price too. They say you can use it at top coat as well, but it's not glossy enough or plump enough. It's best used as nail strengthener and base coat. Now I want to share how I use base coats and top coats I showed in this video. I paint either Nail Envy or Strong Guard as base coat once. After finishing nail art, I apply Paradou gel top coat once. I dry it at least 4 hours, more than 6 hours if possible. And I apply sèche vite once. As long as gel top coat is completely dry, sèche doesn't seem to shrink much. Quite a few people were surprised when they realized my nails are not gel nail. I'm planning to share how to do this nail art in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!